In this video, I will show you how to download and install Sublime Text on Windows 10 operating system. Open your browser and search Sublime Text. Click on this link from sublimetext.com. Click on Download for Windows. This will start downloading Sublime Text. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file. Double-click on the exe file to start installation. Setup will confirm. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You can click yes to confirm. The setup will install Sublime Text to C program files by default. Change the installation location for Sublime Text from here if you want. I will keep the default location. Click next. Select additional task. Here click next. Click install. Installation is complete. Click finish. Now you can go to the search and type Sublime. Click on the Sublime menu. This will launch Sublime Text. So Sublime Text is successfully installed. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching.